Like, please. No way! Wait, this is the worst looking. Don't be like him. Welcome to Sweet Alert 2. Yeah, like this is Sweet Alert 2. Yay! So basically, it's a beautiful, responsive, customizable, accessible replacement for JavaScript pop-up boxes. And what is that? Yeah, this. And the good thing about Sweet Alert 2, or let's just call it Swall, is that it is a standalone library. That means it has zero dependencies. Yay! So basically, let's just cut to the chase. Sweet Alert 2 is good. Yes, yeah. And not just this, like you can create a success message, you can create multiple things. So let's just get to the most complex thing, I guess. So yeah, submit your GitHub username. Let's just do hi. And oh, wait, you could do that. Let's do the second most. Oh, okay. So you get the idea. SweetAlert2 is just the dad of the JavaScript pop-up boxes. So let's just create them. Okay, so I have just a basic program over here, which is just a JavaScript alert, which is minor and looks awful. And in here we have a street alert pop-up that doesn't show because we have to make it. So first of all, in our body or the head, we can just import these things. So this is like the CSS for the sweet alert, and this is the JavaScript. And of course, the link will be in the description. Now in the sweet alert, show sweet alert function, we can just do this. So we have this code, so we'll remove it from the comments. And then here, so like in a swall which starts with sweet alert, we have a title field which can do like the lost milkman. And in the text, so it's like the body. So like this is a sweet alert popper, and this is major, of course, very good. Or we can just do major. And icon, there's mainly three icons, but there can be many more. So it's first of all info, and then there's error, and of course there's success. So I'll choose to stick with the success one. Then in confirm button text, we can just say okay, so like accept your defeat, stupid JavaScript pop. Yeah, this looks intimidating. And in here, I'll just import like a font. So like why not? So font family, Rubik Iso. Boom. So now it has this goofy looking font, and yeah, it applies here too. So yeah, so this is the normal one, and this is sweet alert one, and it looks great. And not just this, we can do many other things. So let me show you an example. So now we have this. So this is another example where there are three buttons for cancelling and stuff. So now we have this where we have a small for cancelling, accepting, like the three buttons. So we can just do title. Do you want to find your dad? Because everyone wants to. Then show deny button. We'll show the cancel button. In the confirm button, the text will be save, and in the deny button, it will be don't save. So now when the wall or the sweet alert is fired, then we will do this code. So if the result is confirmed, if that means if the confirm button has been clicked, then we'll just fire a save button with no body, and then just a success type. And then if we deny or we click the deny button, then the changes are not saved, and then it will be an info, and we can just change it to error because it looks kind of good. And then finally we can test it out. So boom. And wait, let's just tweak a little. So yes, and so I want to, no, yeah, you get the point. So like yeah, So that's it for Sweet Alert 2. I hope you learned something new. You can do infinitely many things, and every link will be description. You can always refer out the documentation, and yeah, support my Patreon because I gotta feed my budgie. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good luck finding your